श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुर सुधारी। बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फलचारी। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर। सॉरी, माय थ्रोट इज स्टिल अ लिटिल ऑफ। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर। जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा। अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी। कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन बिराज सुबेशा। कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे। कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन। तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर। राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया। राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा। बिकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर समारे। रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए। श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बढ़ाई। तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि संभाई। सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे। अस कहीं श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा। नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते। कभी कौबिद कही सके कहते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीना। राम मिलाए राजपत दीना। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना। लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु। लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मैली मुख माही। जलधि लांगी गए अचरद नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते। सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे। होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा। तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे। तीनों लोक हाकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे। महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा। जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे। मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा। तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे। सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा। है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे। असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता। असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुमरे पासा। सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुमरे भजन राम को पावे। जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई। जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त काई। और देवता चित्त न धरई। हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करही। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा। जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई। छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा। होए सिद्ध साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा। की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन। मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुर भूप, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय। There is this beautiful thing when we start the Hanuman Chalisa, Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj, Nij Manu Mukar Sudhari. Right? Tulsi Baba ne, even in the beginning of Ramayana, he has written it. With the dust of the feet of my Guru, I am going to clean the mirror of my heart. Right? Clean the mirror of my heart because it is all dirty. And with that strength, with that dust which has cleansed my heart, Baranau Raghubar Bimal Jasu, Jo Dayaku Falchari. I'll sing the glories of Sri Ram, who, and these glories give us 4 falchar, 4 fal dete hain, 4 fal dete hain. What are these? Jo Dayaku Falchari. And it is very beautiful that our scriptures do not take us away from sansara in any way. What are these 4 fruits that Sri Hanuman Chalisa is talking about? Dharma, Arth, Kam and Moksha, right? Dharma, Arth, Kam and Moksha. What is Dharma? What is Arth? What is Kam? What is Moksha? Dharma, simply put, is what we are supposed to do in the sansar from a layman's point of view. Arth is money, Kam is desires, Moksha is liberation. But if we go deeper into it, we realize what is dharma. Then we ask, what is my dharma? Is it what I am supposed to do in this world? Is that my dharma? Or dharma entails what is the dharma of my Atman? We mostly think from the gross level, right? From the body level. We don't think from the Atman level, right? We say we are doing our duties to the best of our ability. What are our duties? We have been put in a certain situation, in a family situation or a sannyas situation, wherever we have been put. To do what we are doing is to be done. To be good is something that is not something to be learned. It is supposed to be part of the human nature. कहते हैं ना, राम जी बोलते हैं रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन ना जाए. To keep your word is as natural as breathing, which is not in Kali Yuga anymore. कि हमने बोला कुछ कर कुछ दिया. So when we are talking about dharma, it is not from the gross level. It is the dharma of my Atman. And what is the dharma of my Atman? Yes, the duty is my duty as a mother, my duty as a sister, my duty as an employee probably. But my dharma as the Atma, as the soul, is being established in my Satchit Anand Swarup. What is my Satchit Anand Swarup? We have those Maha Mantras, right? Mahavakyas. Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi. I am that. That is me. My duty, my dharma in this sansar is to be established myself in that Satchit Anand Swarup and to look at others in the same form. Very, very difficult. But that is my true dharma. And then, with this dharma in place, Sat, Chit, Anand, truth and everlasting bliss, or truth, consciousness, bliss. Sometimes I like to put it as Chir Anand, We chase momentary joys, but our true nature is of Anand. We should not be upset about anything because our intrinsic quality is Anand. We should always be in the state of Anand. But what happens? We forget our true dharma. And that is when we roam around totally helpless and chase momentary joys. Then, dharma, arth, money, right? Our shastras do not deter us from earning money. Money is not a taboo there. No. सारे कार्य किससे होंगे? धन से ही होंगे ना. लक्ष्मी के बिना आप क्या वस्त्र पहन सकते हैं? किसी की मदद कर सकते हैं? यस, कर सकते हैं. सेवा आप शारीरिक रूप से भी कर सकते हैं, तन धन मन सबसे अलग अलग तरह से आप सेवा कर सकते हैं, पर फिर भी लक्ष्मी जी को हमने एक बहुत ऊंचा स्तर दिया. नाउ देर आर 2 ways to define Lakshmi. Lakshmi ji can be contentment also, Lakshmi ji can be money also. So earth is not in itself bad, but how we earn it, the purity of earning, the purity of using it, where we are spending it is important to keep in mind. That is where we have to be focused. Dharma, earth, calm, desires. Are desires bad? We'll say no, desires are bad. But not all desires are bad, right? The desire for the Lord is not bad. एक time आएगा when we reach the state of desirelessness, but till then we can desire something good. The desire to serve, the desire to help, the desire for the Lord. That is not bad. So, dharma, earth, calm, desires. And when we walk on the path of dharma, when we are earning as per the rule, just the way we talked, when our desires are nice and pure, it will lead to moksha. What is moksha? Moksha does not happen after we pass away. Abhi, isi samay, isi pal, there could be somebody who is not in the shackles of Maya anymore. It takes just a minute to be liberated. What is liberation? The realization that we were never tied. We were never tied. We are Satchidanand. We are that. There are no vices. When you start peeling the onion, layer by layer, what is there inside? Nothing, right? So there are no vices. ये सब आवरण है. These are the veils that cover the true me. So moksha, when you go on this path, dharma, earth, calm and moksha. Moksha is the right, moksha. You will go to the direction of moksha. It will come. Nothing will stop you from moksha reaching you. And what is liberation? We are never tied. It's a very simple story that they explain, right? The elephant, when he was very small, he had shackles all around him, right? The shackles were all around him. And then as he grew, and then there used to be a sound, thuk, thuk. So he felt that, okay, the shackles have been tied. And as a child, he would try to go here and there, but he could not because he did not have the strength. Then he grew to become a very big, huge elephant. Now, this person who used to train the elephant never tied his legs also. He never tied his legs also. And Hari Om, just a minute, I think. There was a king who was in the jungle and he got lost. And he visited a person who cuts the trees, right? The woodcutter. And this woodcutter took very good care of him. And this person felt very happy. The king was very happy. And later on, he wanted to reward the woodcutter. So in order to reward the woodcutter, and he wanted him to be at ease so that he does not have to work so hard, what he did was, he gave him a garden, a jungle of sandalwood trees. Now, normal trees, vis-a-vis the sandalwood trees, the rates are different, right? So the king said, now when he sells this, he will not have to work as hard. But the woodcutter did not have the knowledge. And in spite of getting the sandalwood garden, all he did was chop the trees and sold it at the normal rate as he was doing previously. And this is what has happened to us. We have been given this beautiful human birth after so many lakhs of births. Yet we are living it, oblivious of the gift we have. This human birth alone can help us cross the mundane ocean of existence. But how are we living? Just like the woodcutter. We do not understand कि हमारी योनि में और दूसरी योनियों में क्या फर्क है. And we are living like sensual pleasures. We are doing exactly what another animal is doing. Is that expected of us? No. But we do not know. We are oblivious of our own power. And with this, we will go back to our Ramayana. Now, Ma Sati, in the previous session, what we saw is Ma Sati also got mesmerized and she got confused. Ye kya hai? Ram ji, He is running around like a helpless child looking for Ma Sita. So is he actually Parabrahm? And Shivji told her in many ways that yes, he is Parabrahm. But she was not willing to listen and she wanted to go and test. As we said last time, Bhagwan ki pratiksha ki jati hai, pariksha nahi li jati. Right? You can be a jigyasu, but doubting him is a little dicey. So now when she entered, we are going back to the shlokas because Tulsi Baba has actually mentioned it very beautifully. So what he says is, Ek bar treta jug mahi, Shambhu gaye kumbaj rishi pahi. Sang sati jag janani bhavani, Puje rishi akhileshwar jani. So what are they saying is, Ek bar, now mark the words over here. It will be a little slow, but we'll pick it up. Ek bar treta jug mahi, in Treta Yug, Shambhu gaye kumbaj rishi. Kumbaj rishi is the jar-born sage Agastya Muni. He is born out of the jar. Sang Sati Jag Janani Bhavani. Now over here the description of Ma Sati is Sang Sati Jag Janani Bhavani. She is the Jag Janani, through which the universe has come out. Bhavani hai wo. Unke saath mein wo gaye and Akhileshwar Gyani. So Puje Rishi Akhileshwar Gyani. So two Akhileshwar gaye hain and Jag Janani Bhavani gayi hai. But later on when the katha goes on and after the katha is done, when they are leaving, Tulsi Baba writes, Muni Sanna Bida Mangi Tripurari. Now who's Tripurari? The destroyer of the the children of Tarakasur were the Tripurars. So the destroyer of those three, Shivji, is going along with whom? Chale Muni Sanna Bida Mangi Tripurari Chale Bhavan Sang Daksha Kumari. Now from Jag Janani Bhavani, it has become Daksha Kumari. Why? What is the analogy over here? Later on, when we read Bada Adhikar Daksha Jab Pawa. Now we are going to the story. Now over here we read the scenario of Ma Sati and Shivji, and now we are going to the palace where Raja Daksh, the father of Ma Sati, is there. Bada Adhikar Daksha Jab Pawa Ati Abhi Manu Hriday Tab Awa. जब उनको बड़ा अधिकार मिला तो उनके मन में बहुत अभिमान आ गया. What was the अधिकार? He was given the charge to become the king of the created beings by Brahma. और नहीं कोई अस जन्मा जग माही, प्रभुता पाई जही मद नहीं नाही. नहीं कोई अस जन्मा जग माही, प्रभुता पाई जाही मद नाही. तो ऐसा कोई भी इस दुनिया में नहीं हुआ है जिसको प्रभुता, फेम, नेम, ग्लोरी मिली है और साथ में उनके मन में मद नहीं जगा हो. What is mad? Ego. So Daksh was full of ego at that time because he got so much of respect and responsibility. So over here, what have they said? Chale Bhavan Sang Daksha Kumari. Because during the tale, when we listened to the story last week, we know that she was full of ego. And we have discussed all the various reasons why the ego crept in. So over here, the analogy suddenly changed. And is it possible a person who is all sattvic can become rajasic or tamasic? Yes. Sattva, rajas, tamas are there in all of us. And we oscillate. कभी हम सात्विक प्रवृत्ति के होते हैं, राजसिक प्रवृत्ति के होते हैं, फिर तामसिक प्रवृत्ति के होते हैं. We oscillate between sattva, rajas and tamas. The same person in the same day could be in a state of pure sattva, immersed in the Lord, or totally rajasic, where you are planning a revenge from the person who has harmed you by evening, or rajasic, where you are just craving for more and more. And what is the difference between us and the sadhus, or the devotees, or the people who are near realization? They are able to extend the period of sattva. उनमें भी rajas and tamas रहता है. Everything has rajas and tamas, that we'll do later. So the oscillation has to stop. So Sati Ma, when she came, she was in a state of sattva. But when she left, which state did she go to? From rajasic to tamasic, totally. And that happens to us also. And we have to be aware of it. We are not aware of it. We just go by the flow. हम रोकते ही नहीं है अपने आप को. And then over here, again, what happened is when she went with this state, she saw Ramji, Shivji saw Ramji, but the reaction of both were very different, right? Birah bikalanar, over there, kabahu jog biyog na jake. There is this Parabram. Now Shivji is saying he is Parabram. Brahm hai na? Beyond all. But now she is saying, kabahu jog biyog na jake, dekha pragat birah dukh take. Now again, we are so very fast at judging people, isn't it? We take a minute to judge. Ki no, this person cannot be good, this person is totally bad, this person is very elevated. So she also did the same thing. Ki wo Parabram, jisme there is no sorrow, no agony, there is no getting and losing. And in this state, he is running around the earth. Dekha pragat birah dukh jake. Virah, where he is burning in the agony of losing his wife and he's crying. So she said, ye Parabram nahi ho sakte. From the superficial level, we are judging somebody. Just looking at somebody at that moment and passing a judgment. And Ma also did the same thing. Right? So ye nahi ho sakte. Again, Shivji tries ki don't go. And this is why we should be very, very careful. Our duty is to work on ourselves. We are not allowed to work on anybody else or judge anybody else's level. We do not know what their journey has been in their previous births. We do not know what their role is in this birth. So our work is towards ourselves and there should be no judgment. But Ma did. And then what happened? Again, wahan pe Shivji is saying Jai Sachidanand and he is doing all the naman. And what is Ma Sati doing? She is doubting. Sati so dasha Shambhu ke dekhi ur upja sandehu visheshi. Now she is saying he is getting so overwhelmed by seeing Sri Ram, who is totally in crying and viyog. And she said there was a doubt, sandehu visheshi. Be careful. Now, when we are sadhaks also, we have to be very careful of the company we keep. Because sometimes, now over here it is Shivji. Shivji is trying to tell her. Shivji is, again, in a very elevated state, to unko farak nahi pad raha. But if suppose there was a person like us, when we look at a doubt in somebody, the doubt creeps in also. So we have to be very careful. So Ma ke man mein bahut bada sandeh aaya. And with this sandeh, what did she do? She went and tested Sri Ramji. Because she says, Brahma jo vyapak biraj aj akal aniha abhed. So what is it? He is unbegotten, without parts, free from desire, beyond Maya. So ki deh dhari hoi nar jahi na janat ved. Matlab, even the Veds cannot comprehend what he is, and he is roaming around like this. How is it possible? So this doubt is creeping in, and she is not able to contain it. So what does Shivji say? Go and test. So she goes and tests. And then what happens? We know, right? We saw the picture of the universes that were created. And we also saw multiple phases, multiple multiverses, multiple people, multiple scenarios. But what was there? The same? Ram, Sita and Lakshman. Isn't it? Dekhi Shiv Vidhi Vishnu Aneka. Now this is something which is very important and we'll halt here. Dekhi Shiv Vidhi Vishnu Aneka. Amit Prabhav Ekte Eka. Bandat Charan Karat Prabhu Seva. Bibit Besh Dekhe Sab Deva. Now what did she see? And I would want you to ponder in your mind before we move forward, because our mind has to open up. Dekhi Shiv Vidhi Vishnu Aneka. What did she see? Sati saw more than one set of Shiv, Brahma and Vishnu. More than one set of Shiv, Brahma and Vishnu. Each set possessing a glory infinitely greater than that of the other. Because multiple universes. And this we have heard in many places. When we are doing the Krishna Leela also. When Sri Brahmaji wants to test Sri Krishna. If we remember that story, we'll just visit it slowly, shortly, and we'll come out of it. When Brahmaji saw Sri Krishna and everybody said that this is Parabrahm, who has taken avatar, Brahmaji said, how is it possible? I am the creator. Without my permission, Parabrahm cannot be born. So what he did was, he stole away all Sri Krishna's friends and he hid them. And we saw the calculation of Brahma's life and our lives, right? And after storing the friends in the clouds, he fell asleep. Unko aa gayi jhapki. Now in that moment, now Sri Krishna looked around. He saw, he was running around chasing his friends, trying to find them. He couldn't. And he saw a swan feather. He said, oh, so Brahma ji, you want to play with me? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Krishna ji multiplied himself. वो सब कुछ बन गए. He became Dadhi, he became the monkey, he became the cow, he became all his friends, Subhala, Sudama, जो बोलो, वो सब बन गए. Lata, everybody, Lalita. He became everything. He became the food, he became the clothes, he became everything that was there. And Brahmaji was sleeping during that time. A moment of Brahma's nap, and it was a year that went by. Krishna would go, he would play with the others, he would play with himself. It was the same thing. And when they would come home, the only difference was, before all the gopiyas would run towards Sri Krishna. All the mothers would run towards Sri Krishna. But now all the mothers would run towards their own children, because there was nobody else but Krishna in the form of all the children. So they would run and they would hug. And even the cows, it was very difficult to take away the calves from the cows, because that was also Sri Krishna. And this Leela went on for a year. It was as if they say that joy was oozing out of every house. So much joy. And then what happened? One day, again, after a moment of nap, Brahmaji got up, he looked down and he said, let me see what is happening. He was baffled. He said, what is happening? The children are up here, but who is that? And that very moment he realized that Sri Krishna is nobody else but Parabrahma. Of course, he returned the friends and he came down. And when he came down, one more Leela awaited him. When he turned back, what did he see? Brahmas greater and more powerful than him, of bigger universes and multiverses, were coming down. He was not the only Brahma. Ye unka Brahm tha. And all he did was join his hands to Sri Krishna. And yehi baar baar Ramayan mein bhi aayega. In different forms, in different words. That is why we have to be very careful when we are reading. And that is why I said we'll be moving back and forth till we are ready to move forward again. So, again, what is it? Dekhe Shiva Vidhi Vishnu Aneka. So, for now the question arises again, which we will write and keep for now. तो फिर ये किसके अवतार थे? कौन थे? And then let's go back to one more thing. Those Mahavakyas, Tattvamasi Aham Brahmasmi. There is nothing but Brahma only, right? Everything is from him. So, multiple Vishnus, and Vishnu, Brahma and Maheshas are designations. The creator, protector and destroyer. They are designation. Indra is a designation. Indra changes. It is not a name. So with this knowledge, that now the doubt, now Masati is having a doubt, aren't we also thinking, ye fir kaun the? Ye kaun the? Again, Dekhe Shiv Vidhi Vishnu Aneka Amita Prabhu Ek Te Eka. And still, what did she see alongside? Ram, Lakshman, Sita also. They were not changing. And this should leave a thought in our mind. कि ये क्या था? ये क्या लीला थी? We should not just skim through it. We should mull over it whenever we have time. Mull over it. And when she saw all this, of course, Ma Sati, she had enough, right? She said, ab nahi hoga. With this she went, and then what happened? Nothing. Shivji went into his samadhi again. Ma Sati was quietly sitting, and while you are alone with yourself, you tend to think. Many a times throughout the day, we don't even listen to what is going on in our mind. How much time do we give ourselves to think? And we have this precious birth, isn't it? We are just like the woodcutter. We don't see the difference between the normal wood and the sandalwood. And we are just living our lives, going by the flow, directed by the winds, swaying by the thoughts. क्यों? Pause. We need to pause and think. And that is what happened to Ma Sati. Shivji went into Samadhi. He said no. Because at that time, he said no, I have to reinforce my belief. And what does he do? He takes a Ram Naam, right? Now there's again a very beautiful story that is coming to my mind. There was this fish catcher, right? He used to catch fish, and then he would be able to catch the biggest of fish. Kabhi badi and giant, and there was this one small fish which apparently always escaped. And he would wonder, how is this happening? He would be able to catch every other fish but this. And every time he would see the same fish again. So then one day he came without the net and he said, now listen, tell me your secret. What is your secret? How is it that I can't catch you? She said, listen, what I do is, when you throw your net, I come and stand right next to your feet. Because net dur feki jati hai na. I stand right next to your feet. Close. Simple. So because Maya goes there, right? आप जाके हरि चरण में ही खड़े हो जाएं. Whenever, because there will be a lot of questions, a lot of tarak, vitark, ऐसे क्यों, वैसे क्यों. Very good. If we can avoid listening to it, very good. But if we can't, Manan, Ram, 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 Ram. जिसको जो बोलना है बोलो, Ram, 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 Ram. Because you do not want your faith in the scriptures to shake. So he said कि जब भी when you throw your Maya jal, Prabhu, what I do is I stand, I catch hold of your feet and I stand there. So that the Maya does not take me away. So the fish said, the minute you throw your net, I am right at your feet. I don't move from there. So the Maya cannot catch me at all. So very simply, Shivji went back. He said, no Maya catching me. And Ma Sati is thinking. She's thinking about so many things and thinking, mulling over our thoughts. Watching our thoughts is so important. And they just said that many, many, many years went by doing this. And one fine day, after a very, very long time, she goes, Kahi na jaye kachu hriday glani. Glani kya hoti hai? The pain in my heart, I can't see it. Now after thinking, mulling, we should go in, right? The journey is always inwards. We don't. And then she says, after so much of mulling, there is a glani in my heart now. Man moh Ramahi sumiri sayani. Man moh Ram sumri sayani. But now she's thinking about Sri Ram. The vision she has seen. Jo Prabhu Deen Dayalu Kahava. Arati Harana Ved Jasugava. Now she is calling out to the Lord only. If you think I am worthy of it, please meri Arat haro. Now Arati, what is Arati? We do Arti all the time for the Lord, right? It is very beautiful, which I learned a few years back, and it mesmerizes me, and it speaks a lot about Sanatan Dharma. When we are doing Arti of the Prabhu, what is it that we are doing? Arti karte hain. What is it? What is the meaning of Arati? Over here, if you listen to her, Arati is the pain, right? Haro Arati, meri Arati har lo aap. So when we are doing Arti for the Lord, and then we said Arti le lo, right? Arti lije, Arti lije, Arti lije. We are taking away the pain of the Lord. Sanatan Dharma is not taking from the Lord. It is taking away his pain, taking away probably, उनको नजर लग गई होगी, चलो आरती ले लो, हम ले लेते. We'll share your pain, Lord. We don't go to the mandir to ask, we go to the mandir to help the Lord. Our relationship is very different. But हमने क्या करा है over the years? We have made it a barter system. I'll give you this, you give me this. That is never the case. So over here, again the word Aarti, which is off context, but I wanted to bring it in because it really mesmerizes me, the word Aarti. So, Jo Prabhu Deen Dayal Kahava Aarati Harana Ved Jasugava To me binay karu kar jori Chuto begi dehi ye mori. Now what is she asking for? I'm praying to you. May I now lose this body. I don't want this anymore. I don't want to be Daksha Kumari. Right now, she's saying, I don't want to be in this body anymore. word by word. Jo more shiv charanas sanehu, man krama vachana satya vrata ehu. She's saying, if I only worship Shri Shiv, मन क्रम वचन से मैं उनकी ही हूं, तो प्लीज मेरी आरती हरो, अब मेरा ये शरीर हटाओ. I want to get rid of this body. Now she's praying to Sri Ram. And what if we take it a little deeper? What is it? Don't we also want to get rid of this body consciousness that binds us all through? Don't we make our world so small because of this body consciousness? And this body is mine, this thought is mine, everything related to this body is mine, isn't it? But is it the right way to be? We are always there in our body conscious state and we are never able to break free. So she is saying, I just want to be broken. I want to be free from this state of body consciousness. I want to go to my state of Satchit Anand Swarup, the Atman. Sochiye aap. Look around. Everything that you call as mine, mera sharir, mera bachcha, mera pati, is all connected to your body, right? From you, mine. Now, once you break the body consciousness, what happens? Once you break the shackles of body consciousness. कहते हैं ना, many people say mother's love is not selfish. I would always say कि if you are able to love that child as much as you love him right now because he is yours, when he is somebody else's, then it is not selfish. माँ का प्रेम अपने बच्चे पे इसके लिए है क्योंकि वो उसका बच्चा है. If that same child with the same guna was born to somebody else, would you love him as or her as much? No. So she is saying, I don't want to be in this state of body consciousness anymore. Take it away from me. I want to go inner and deeper. And she is praying to the Lord because where else will you go? ये जो भ्रम है, ये जो हमारे विकार हैं, उनको हटाने के लिए हम जाएंगे कहाँ? We all have these vikars, right? What are the vikars? Generally we have काम, क्रोध, मोह, लोभ, मद, मात्सर्य, अहंकार, and mamakara is also a vikar, I feel. What is mamakara? मुझे तो ममकार और ममता सबसे बड़ा एक विकार लगता है. बहुत बहुत. You can break all these, but ममकारा नहीं छूटता कभी. That is true, right? मेरा बच्चा, मेरा ममकार, very difficult. मेरा. So she says, relieve me of this body consciousness. Oh Shri Hari, please. And when did she reach the stage? After a lot of mulling, after a lot of being alone, after a lot of chintan, not chinta, chintan, right? हमें चिंता नहीं करनी है, हमें चिंतन करना है. How much time? That is why. How much time do we give to chintan? How much time do we give? Think about it. This is something that we have to answer for ourselves. And once we are able to do this chintan, we'll stop pointing fingers on others. And we will move inwards because we'll have so much to work on. कहते हैं ना, बुरा देखन मैं चला, बुरा ना दिखया कोई, जब मन झाका आप ना, मुझसे बुरा ना कोई. And then you'll be so busy working on yourself. That is why now we are going. We were in Doha number around 59, right? Before 59. Now we are going back to Doha number 3. Why? Because in these Dohas, now Ma has reached a state, right? Ma has reached this understanding of Shrishti. Ma has reached the understanding of her surrounding. Ma has reached this understanding of her inner self. And when we started Sri Ramayana, we started with Guru Vandana, we started with the characteristics of saints, and we started with the characteristics of the wild people also. And unless and until we are able to list it down for ourselves and know them, are we going to be able to work on them? जब तक हमें पता नहीं चलेगा कि हमारी strength and weaknesses क्या है, vices and virtues क्या है, consciously with Vivek will we be able to eradicate them or not? So over here, beautifully in his own words, we'll read it out. What is the saint's characteristics? Banda usant samanachit, hit anhit nahi koi, anjali gat, shubh suman ajmi, sam sugandh kar dohi. Again, saints are like the flowers. You watch them, you smile at them, they'll be kind to you. You crush them in your hands, they will still leave fragrance in your hand, right? They are not going to be offended by what has been done. In the same way, when you look at a wild person, what happens? The wildness runs to such a level that अगर मेरा भी बुरा हो तो भी चलेगा, पर मैं उसका तो बुरा करके ही छोड़ूंगा. I do not mind me falling down the pit, but I'll take you with me. कितनी बार हम सुनते हैं, आता है ना these भावनाएं. It's very common. So what is he saying? So he is acknowledging all these people also, the hostile people, without purpose, even to the friendly they want to hurt. Normal hai, and we cannot deny it. Sometime or the other, we also face desires which are not probably prayers. They are prayers, not shreyas. We go to a path which is very nice to me. Now, again, this is very pretty. Prayers and shreyas, there was a sage, there was a man who died and he was allotted the heaven. Now, it's a story. Heaven and hell, bahar hai, andar hai, that is, we'll continue later. But he was allotted heaven. So while he was passing through hell, what he saw was, in hell, people were having so much fun. They were dancing, they were singing, there was so much of joy all around. मतलब उसको लगा, wow, this is hell. क्या मस्ती चल रही है, गाना, बजाना. You know, they are going to different places, visiting various places. They are having so much of fun. And then when he went to heaven, what happened? Heaven में देखा तो शांत सब कुछ. There is nothing much happening, you know, कुछ, it's not very enticing. बहुत शांत है. Then he said, listen, can I change where I want to be? He said, what do you mean change where you want to be? He said, I want to go to hell. I don't like heaven. मुझे heaven में नहीं जाना है. So this person was shocked, but then he said, तुम्हारी इच्छा, तुम्हारी मर्जी, no problem. They went to Yamraj. They said, उसकी इच्छा, अगर उसको hell में जाना है तो जाने दो, कोई बात नहीं. The minute he went there, oh my goodness, he was again burnt and fried, and all those hells that we talked about was happening to him. He shouted out, then what did we see? What did I see when I was passing by? What I saw was so beautiful. You all were having so much fun. They said, oh, that was just our marketing team. That was just our marketing team. Don't we give up? यही होता है ना. This is what is happening to us also. We are always leaving shreyas for prayers. आज ये मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, right? तो मैं ये कर लेती हूँ. अब कौन सोचता है whether it's the right thing to do or not? Right now it is giving me joy, right? And bas, so right now it was giving, he realized, my God, I was feeling so sorry for him after I heard the story, you know. So be very careful. What seems right, what seems good might not be. विवेक का इस्तेमाल करिए. धीरे धीरे चलिए ना, जल्दी क्या है? We are instant. We are like, you know, this happened, this reaction, this. No. Take time, think, and then move forward. फूक फूक के कदम आगे रखो. ये क्या कहते हैं ना, ये राह नहीं आसान, सुन ले ए राही, आग का दरिया है और डूब के जाना है. सोच समझ के आगे बढ़ो. कहाँ जा रहे हो? I just was so amazed, you know, when they said it's the marketing team. My God, my heart broke. But this is what is happening to us also. Where are we being led vis-a-vis where we should be going? And we started where? Remember, where we started from. Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha. Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha. These four paths, how they should be led. So see, this is what that is where move your locus of control inside. Move your antarmukhi bano. अंदर देखो, analyze करो, सोचो, फिर आगे बढ़ो. Beautiful. So now what he's saying is there are wild people like that also. But what he's saying is very beautifully, again we are visiting it very slowly. Bandau sant asajjana charna. Now what is he saying? I do pranam to both the sant and the asajjan. दोनों को मैं प्रणाम कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि दुख प्रद उभय बीच कछु बरना, बिचरुत एक प्राण हर लेही, मिलत एक दुख दारम देही. दोनों के मैंने बहुत सारे वर्णन. He has given a lot of characteristics of the wild, a lot of characteristics of the good. We talked about Kali Yuga, we talked about the vices, we talked about saints and their characteristics, we talked about the gurus and Hanuman ji, काफी बातें की. So he's saying मैं उन सबके चरण छू रहा हूँ. Why? And see, the beautiful is कि both give joy at a different time. The wise people, right, will give you joy when you meet them and sorrow when you part with them, right? You don't want to part with a nice soul, right? But the wild soul will give you joy when you part with them and sorrow when you meet them. Beautiful, the way he has written. Bichrut ek prana lei, milit ek dukh darun dehi. And again, slowly he goes, gun avgun जानत सब कोई. बहुत प्यार से बोल रहे हैं कि गुण अवगुण हम सबको पता है. क्या गुण है, क्या अवगुण है, क्या प्रेयस है, क्या श्रेयस है. Nothing is hidden from us. It is a different thing that we decide to do what we want to do. Because we are not very far sighted, right? हमें लगता है अभी के लिए ठीक है. बात की बात किसको पता क्या होगा. So गुण अवगुण जानत सब कोई, जो जही भावनी किते ही सोही. Everybody knows गुण अवगुण क्या है. हम में भी हम जानते हैं, दूसरे में भी हम जानते हैं, दूसरे में हम देख रहे नहीं हैं. But whatever we like, we will go towards that. Because see, many a times it is boring in heaven, right? Where will there be spice in life when we are not gossiping while we are talking? बात क्या करेंगे हम? But think about it, ना? When you decide कि हाँ अब हम ना नीति अनुसार बात करेंगे, तो बातें खत्म हो जाएंगी. After a point, there will be nothing to talk about. So, इसमें क्या है? कल अगुण साधु गुण गाहा, उभय अपार उधति अवगाहा, तेहि ते कछु गुण दोष बखाने, संग्रह त्यागना बिनु पहचाने. Again, तेहि ते कछु गुण दोष बखाने. He is saying कि बहुत है. Again, the same thing. Lots of vices, lots of virtues. The wild have a lot of vices, the sadhus have a lot of virtues. It is a never-ending song that I can sing. But tehi ke kachu gun dosh bakhane, sangrah tyag na binu pehchane. You will not be able to let go of your collection till you identify it as such. And he also says very beautifully, ki sab kuch, everything has been created by the Lord. In one of the verses he says, whatever there is in this world, it has been created by that same Lord, right? चाहे वो गुण है, अवगुण हो, हानि है, लाभ है, दुख है, सुख है, all the opposites have been created by the Lord, and Ved took a chalni, and they sieved it and came out, this is this nice conduct, this is bad conduct. And after a point, probably this nice and bad also does not matter when we move beyond it. But right now he's saying, try to identify it. Everything has been created by the same, try to identify it. But again he says, as vivek jab dehi bidata, tab taji dosh gunehi muni rata. But अब इसका भी विवेक जब प्रभु देगा तभी तो काम होगा ना. अस विवेक जब देहि विदाता तब तजी दोष गुनेहि मुनि राता. तभी आपसे आपके दोषों को आप छोड़ पाओगे. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि we shouldn't do any प्रयत्न. There shouldn't be any prayatna to identify and leave. We shouldn't use our vivek. We should. It is not easy. It is difficult. It's pretty boring. Just like today's session probably. But it has to be done. Slowly and steadily it has to be done. Identification, segregation, and for that is why I said, Roj beto, right? This is my virtue, this is my vice. This is my virtue, this is my vice. After writing this, what do? We just leave it for now. We do not have to chase anger. Ki, no, today I will not get angry, I'll not get angry. No, don't do that. Chase the virtue. I'll be peaceful. I'll be very peaceful today. Because when you say, I'm not going to get angry, you're watering that plant. But when you say, I'm going to be peaceful today, you're watering that other plant. You do not have to chase that vice just because you've written it down. No. And how do you move forward? Do we have to suppress our emotions? No. Let them be. लिख के रख लो एक जगह. We should know what it is and then sublimate. Look at something higher. Look at something of greater good. Occupy your time. अगर प्रभु कीर्तन रोज दिन भर नहीं होता कोई बात नहीं, किसी से भी नहीं होता है. Occupy your time. Be with satsangis. Be with people who are doing charity. Be with people who are doing greater good. Be with people who are positive. And that ways you're going to sublimate, right? The process of sublimation, right? Don't try to suppress. From today, no, not needed. When you hold the name of the Lord with both your hands, you will not have hands free to hold on to any jealousy, any mamakar, any matsarya bhav, nothing. It will just drop off on its own. And that is what Ma Parvati, Ma Sati did, right? When Shivji went into Samadhi, she kept thinking. She got connected to Sri Ram. She looked at the form that she had seen. She worked on what was wrong. And she connected and she sublimated. There was no suppression needed. And then she said, I don't want to be in this body consciousness, because in Ramayana, as we go on, Lakshmanji asks Ramji, what is Maya? And Ramji says, very simply, because Lakshman, tum to sab jante ho, मैं अरु मोर तोरते Maya. Me and mine, you and yours is Maya. मैं अरु मोर तोरते Maya. Me and mine, you and yours is Maya. जब ये हटेगा, माया हट जाएगी. Me and mine, you and yours कैसे आता है? देह भान से आता है. When I consider myself to be this body, everything related to this body becomes mine. Everything that is not related to this body is not mine. मैं और मोर तोरते माया. Body consciousness से हटना है. And that is Ma Sati says कि please, being in this body consciousness, I've made a lot of errors. I just want to be free of this Maya now. Enough is enough. Please help me. And when we turn to the Lord, there is nothing else that He can do but help. He's waiting, He's waiting. कि अब ये मेरे तरफ देखेंगे, अब ये मेरे तरफ देखेंगे, अब ये मेरे तरफ देखेंगे. हमें संसार में रमने के आगे कोई फुर्सत ही नहीं है. And be very careful when we are doing these scriptures also. It should not just become a source of joy. And this I learned from Purna Mata. There are so many sages, they are teaching us so many things. She would keep asking me, why do you do these sessions? Long back, I think this was 5-6 years back. And I used to tell her, do you get a lot of joy? I said, yes, I get a lot of joy. I really love it. Okay, I enjoy it. She kept asking me the same question again and again and again. And one day, in one of the sessions, she said, the scriptures are meant for you to connect. If it is giving you joy, it is just fulfilling another desire. So you should ask yourself, am I connecting to the Lord? मुझे अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा तो बहुत सारी चीजें लगती हैं. हर चीज जो अच्छी लगती है वो हमें प्रभु से जोड़ती थोड़ी है. कम से कम एक तो कोई काम करें जो हमें प्रभु से जोड़े. So when we are reading the scriptures, is it mere pleasure that we are getting out of them, or are we able to connect? Ask. Self-questioning is very essential. Because for pleasure, there are many other sources, probably a lot better. So saying this, we are going to give a viram to today's session. Maybe there is one nice story which we can do before we close this session. And it is also very, very relevant to us. There was this prostitute, okay? And she would visit a sage daily. Because this is something that we have to keep in mind. And she would ask only one question to the sage. Have you been able to overcome passion? Yeah? Sage would not reply. These sages normally don't reply. उनको लगता है कि words are futile, क्या समझाएं, but ठीक है. He did not reply. She kept on going every day and asked, are you over passion? Are you free from passion? He never said anything. And one fine day, the news came that the sage is no more. And she came running. She went to the sage and she said, you cannot do this to me. How can you do this to me? I've been asking you one question throughout my life. And how can you die without answering that question? And the sage, because inko ichha vritti hota hai, they can tyag, there is a vidhi with which you can exit your body at will. Right? sorry, you can exit your body at will, right? So he came back and he said yes, and immediately he died again. Why?
We can't hear anything.
Now can you hear? Sorry. So she came, right? She came to him and she said, you have not answered this question, you cannot die now. So for that moment he came to life and he said yes, and he went back to his, bodiness, consciousless mode of death. Why did he do that?
We could hear you. Can you repeat the story?
Okay. So the connection was alright. Okay. So now this was a prostitute who used to go to the sage daily and ask him, have you been able to overcome passion? Okay. So the sage would never answer. And one fine day, the news came around that the sage had died. Now this prostitute came running. She was very upset. She said, how can you die without answering my question? Now you tell me, have you been able to overcome passion? And the sage, for that minute, because see, sages have the power. We also can generate this power of Ichha Mrityu. When we want to leave our body, we can. But we are so caught up that we feel that we are the body, which we are not. We are not the body, not the thought, not the mind. Right? We are something else which is in the body right now. So he came back, he said yes, and he died again. Why didn't he say yes why didn't he say yes? Because you can never be too sure. You can never be too sure that you have overcome a vice. Never be. Always be alert. Always be alert. Pata nahi kab वापस वो वृत्ति आ जाए. So he, just imagine the sage with Ichha Mrityu. He never said, yes, I have overcome passion. हम कैसे बोल देते हैं? Yes, I have been able to overcome this. I have been able to overcome that. No. You never know. माया है. कहते हैं ना, भगवान को जब पनिशमेंट देना होता है वो लाठी लेके पीछे नहीं भागते. उस समय वो आपकी बुद्धि हर लेते हैं. Never be overconfident. And there are so many tales. There is this living sage called Sri M. Right? He talks about his previous birth. He was almost going to get moksha. And he had this hatred towards something, and he did not want to give gyan towards this person. And this person said, if you don't give me gyan, I will jump. And he jumped. Because at that time, last moment, where he was just done, he was about to go. And at that time, what happened? He had to be born, and now he recollects. He said, Dekho, even that last minute, my anger came, my discrepancies, my bhedbhav came in place, and I could not reach. So there are many sages who will tell you, it is not the end till the end. You can never be sure that you have won the battle. So when we are saying vices and virtues, can we be sure that we have overcome everything? No. Practice till the very end. And sometimes, Hari Naam is very powerful, but unfortunately there is no other way to show it is powerful. There is a beautiful song, we'll end with this song. It's an English song, very silly to bring it up here. But this world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. You don't believe a single word I say, but it's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. और कुछ है ही नहीं. Unfortunately, हमारे पास में ये futile words ही हैं जिनसे हम प्रभु के दर्शन कर सकते हैं. Ouch, अभी. So the words are all I have to take your heart away. So beautiful, right? And with this, we'll just remind ourselves कि there's this beautiful song, ना? निरंतर स्वस्थ चिंतन हो, यही सबसे बड़ा जप है. The wrapping up the session. निरंतर स्वस्थ चिंतन हो, यही सबसे बड़ा जप है. ना उतरा आचरण में तो समूचा ज्ञान गपशप है. It's another गपशप that we are having, nothing else. अगर हम इस नॉलेज को अपने आचरण में नहीं उतार पाते हैं तो रहे भूखे मगर ना खाएं पाप की रोटी, बचे बुरी आदतों से, यही इस युग का सबसे बड़ा तप है. बचे बुरी आदतों से, यही इस युग का सबसे बड़ा तप है. With this, we will give viram to this session. If there is any question which anybody would want to ask or discuss, please go ahead. Apologies for the disturbances, but it's okay. Sansar hai. Yes. Boliye.
First of all, thank you. It was like heart-touching session. It's too overwhelming to talk about it. I just need some clarification when you said like wise people you meet, they give you sorrow, and once you leave them, they give you happiness.
Wild people. Wild is the the people who are not very good, right? So when you meet them, they are going to find ways to let you down and not wild, WILE, wise and wild. हाँ. जो अच्छे लोग होते हैं उनको मिलके बहुत खुशी होती है, जब वो जाते हैं तब दुख होता है, और जो खराब लोग होते हैं आपके जीवन में जब वो होते हैं तब आपको दुख होता है, और जब वो जाते हैं तो बड़ी खुशी होती है कि चलो चले गए. that is the thing.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Anything else? Any other question? Any other thing? Shall we wrap up then?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. It was a lovely session.
Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan वासुदेवा. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की.
हनुमान की
जय.